Look at this, the world's first 3D printed supercar, the Czinger 21C. This thing is absolutely insane.
$2 million, just 80 units in existence. And it isn't even built the traditional way. It's printed. This is the Czinger 21C, a 3D printed hypercar redefining exclusivity and technology. It's the ultimate fusion of art and speed reserved for the elite. You're watching Car Futuro, your gateway to the cars of tomorrow. At its heart, the Czinger 21C packs a 2.88-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with electric motors. The result is a jaw-dropping 1250 horsepower. And that's just the standard version. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds, rivaling Bugatti and Koenigsegg. Top speed? Over 250 miles per hour. This isn't just another hypercar. It's engineering reimagined for maximum performance. The Czinger 21C is more than fast. It's art. Every component is designed using AI and manufactured with 3D printing, making it lighter, stronger, and more efficient. Its jet fighter seating layout places the driver front and center, with a passenger directly behind. This isn't just a car, it's a revolution in automotive design, combining aerospace technology with pure racing DNA. Here's the catch. Futuristic dreams come at a price. The Czinger 21C costs around $2 million, and production is strictly limited to 80 units worldwide. That means only the ultra-elite will own one. But exclusivity is the point. This isn't built for the masses. It's a collector's hypercar, showing us what the future of manufacturing and performance could look like. The Czinger 21C isn't just a hypercar, it's proof of what's coming. 3D printing could soon change how everyday cars are made, making them lighter, more customizable, and more eco-friendly. This car represents a bridge between present engineering and the future of mobility. It's not just a machine, it's a statement. The future of cars won't just be electric, it'll be printed. So, what do you think? Is the Czinger 21C the ultimate glimpse of tomorrow, or just a toy for the ultra-rich? One thing's certain, it's rewriting automotive history. If you loved this deep dive, hit subscribe to Car Futuro for more futuristic car content that'll blow your mind.